me used to do Uber dog at Orlando. I go pick up one late night, Friday night, I can't forget. Go on bar to pick up somebody. I want youth. I mean I say, yo, call him by name. He say, yeah. Hardly have no word in English. So me feel say a cool youth. I come from a party. Be a girl out of the club, brother. Boss coming out front of the car. Never like that. Anyways, I drive and I try ask me something. But me no do Spanish. Me no understand Spanish. So me give me phone while me I drive. Find we call it translation.
Yeah.
You know man tell me dog. Boom first. First thing man say me cute. That's the first thing dog. I mean I said me don't want to see him like a PUSSY. Because I work.
I didn't do it for the cup to work for the
man say me cute and me say thank you.
Respect, but
then brother, the next question, the next statement is you want to guess brother why man offer me? Man offer me heads dog. Me have you say yo
the black clot here.
Brother, him man say yo him a man and me a man so him know what me want. I saw him have fear type writing in the on my phone translation brother.
Yes, you tell him say yeah me know.
Brother, me want let him out but man, report me dog man lose my account.
Yes, you know me want your mother. that me want your mother. Right, you're exactly right. You know what me want. Me want go here to your mother there. I dem want go because me want ask her say why you make your son to. Because the fuck when me gonna give him matter pussy clock, the man gonna ask why his son and the son will ask him why he gonna go in at the man. Because I don't know how you can blood clot tell the man say. And that thing you want. Look at that.
Brother.
I want the bad.
Now we stay far from them dog. They force a freak.
The umbre come out today and he walk and he look for me and me and say yo.
And they have one piece of walk they you like they piece say yo it's sexy.
No, like them a woman to pussy clot. They don't walk like they ask for them. Like them a woman to bumbo clot. Me have say yo. Umbre come on and umbre have three trapping a female here, you know. Me say what the bumbo class so umbre see me with two. But you because two man no man must feel like say me dey for a film. Give me have say umbre listen man.
You dey have a colorful shirt or
not? This me have on just like this today, brother. And umbre they come look for me, brother.
They ain't too forward, brother.
Brother, sometimes me have to say how they man.
You see how you don't talk to one girl and you try to win over the girl and it take a while and them man they go straight to the point.
Brother, them man they get straight to the point, brother. The man they look for me and the man they smile. You the man see that to pussy clot. You the man. What's the name on the order you picking up? Me say I pick up my order for myself. Me not pick up no online order. Me pick up my order for myself.
Yeah.
That one. Pussy clot. Come I say the man. The man get turned on to bumbo clot.
So you don't have a friend like a virgin we are gay?
You know what say? I'll be honest with you.
You have a virgin we are gay?
Yeah, have a virgin we are gay, you know. And
but he never bring no argument.
He never bring no argument to me. You know how I find out say I'm gay? You know say I'm going on your phone one day, I say I'm good for such people phone. Going on your phone one day, no man. I book up on a text message and
from a guy
and me I say, no sir, this is not normal. This is not normal at all.
Yeah.
Them are two man not supposed to talk about them. Food and they talk about food, this and food, that.
So you really read through them the message, brother?
I said, no man, me tap it right there so me hear say food was big and food was not big. So I said, no sir, I can't man in the talk about. So me get deep down night to pussy clot. No man, the man in the talk about to bumbo clot and they send picture of man ass man.
So you see picture them?
Brother, me say me have to swipe off the phone and say, me have to give up the man in phone, man and say, well, I look for the man and say, man, all along me there, the friend there for years, man, they couldn't tell me say no straight, man, you all come around, bro. It's a good thing, say me no smoke ganja spliff with man, me always give man a look at spliff and say, all that.
Yeah.
Because all along the man could have weed with me. You understand? Thank God we don't smoke off of each other spliff, brother. So I tell you, me make man smoke off my spliff because some man have a listen for them bread for your weed, dog.